and I had them send me this package. There we go. And that is the cartridge that goes inside the 1700 series. You'll have to cut into it. And of course, while we're cutting, we're talking, I had to go down to the basement and shut the water off to the whole house. So you have to have time to cut the water off to the whole house. Make sure nobody's trying to take a shower, run laundry, or anything like that. There's our cartridge. Our accessory pieces right there. There we go. And there's our bath right there. So this piece just pops right off. That comes right off right there. See, there's a screw in the center. That's got to come out. Just a regular Phillips screw here. And then the Delta people, in order to send you a cartridge, they wanted proof of purchase that we bought this faucet. Of course, we had to send them that. And there's a little piece that comes out of the center there. Are we high enough? There we go. And another piece that comes out of the center there, the handle assembly. Then, got to take out these two really long screws. Hold on the cover. Of course, I just shut off water to the house, so I'm going to run the tap over here. Make sure that water doesn't shoot out all over the camera. Once we get all of this loose, it'll be perfect. There we go. That's off. Off. That's the piece, two long screws. This cover just slides right off. There's that one. Now you need a crescent wrench. Opened up pretty big. Actually, you don't need a crescent wrench, you just have it hand tight. And this piece just comes right off. That's the retaining ring. And here comes our cartridge. Now if you look in there, there are two little O-rings in the back there. I've already replaced those. They sent me a package earlier to replace those, so now I just have to replace the cartridge. Just a one deal. One thing I have to do. Alright, so I pulled that out of the center here. Is there an up and down on the cartridge? Oh, look at that. This O-ring came off with the cartridge, so that's got to go back in there. That's got to be seated in the back there. There we go. Alright. And now the new cartridge can go right in. And turn it until it seats. Alrighty. Get it seated here. in tight. There's that. And then you just put everything back together in reverse order. There's that cover. And then this cover. And another long screw in there. We screw those in. Everything's just the opposite of the way that we took it apart. All of that has screwed in, and then this goes on. There we go. This goes on right there. Cold, hot, perfect. And they sent us a new screw, but our old screw is fine. Put that right in the center there. And then the cap goes on. And that's it. There it is. That's the replacement of the 1700 series cartridge.